Dear life, it's incredibly easy to forget to be grateful for anything, especially in times such as these. The world around us feels like it descends into more and more chaos and division each and every day. What a time to be alive. But when I sat down to write this, I forced myself to reevaluate this view. Is the world crazier now than it has ever been before? Surely it must be. It's only in writing it down that this idea is exposed for quite how ridiculous it is. Of the entirety of human history, from ancient Egypt to the world wars and beyond, we currently find ourselves in the best possible time to be alive. Oftentimes it doesn't feel it, but in a human lottery that spans thousands of years, somehow I've landed in a century that allows me access to healthcare, a secure home, less war than at any other time, and the freedom to pursue my passions like no other time in history. A luxury not afforded to many still across the globe. So I suppose I should consider myself doubly lucky. My life has afforded me the freedom of a loving family, meaningful friendships and relationships, and the space to express myself creatively, and the hugs of a beautiful little dog, along with so much more. Things I've forgotten and things yet to come. So next time I think about how bleak and futile it can all seem, I'll try and remind myself that we're standing at the top of the mountain and not at the bottom. And it's a hell of a view if you take the time to look. What a time to be alive. Indeed.